Hello, Victor Isibo here. In this video, you're going to be learning how to make money from ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT, a couple of days ago, I made a video, like an introductory video to ChatGPT, the awesome artificial intelligence robot software that helps you answer any questions, and it is enjoying a lot of application across every facet, every aspect of our lives. Okay, applications in software engineering, technology, writing your project and developing content for your work. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can potentially generate $1,000 passive income via ChatGPT. And without much ado, we're on the website of OpenAI, ChatGPT, and the interface is there real quick. Now, I want to do something, okay? Now, it's about content creation. Like right now, I want to create content around top 10, for instance, top 10 best ways to lose weight. Okay, top 10 best ways to lose weight. So I'm going to type it in here. Okay, top 10 best ways to lose weight. A lot of overweight people are out there looking for a way to lose weight. So I want ChatGPT to, come up with a content like a write-up, okay, about how to lose weight. Stay with me. You will understand how to make money via this content we're about to create. I tap on go and see it is writing the top 10 ways. This is awesome. It is giving me like an article. Okay, the artificial intelligence robot is working and it's writing everything that I need. Okay, I do not have to do research. I do not have to start getting a pen and a paper. I do not have to start doing a lot of writing, racking my brains. I mean, you could practically make videos or get write-ups and create content in a matter of seconds. Okay, see, the AI is done. Like I'm scrolling up right now and you can see that it started from number 1 and it gave me 10 tips like I requested. Okay, so what you really want to do right now, I'm using a mobile for this video. Okay, I know a lot of people prefer to do stuff on their mobile phones. It allows you to do things on the go. So I'm using a mobile. You can use a mobile as well. It is more convenient if you do this on your laptop or your PC. But come on, if it can be done on a mobile, trust me, you can do it on your PC as well. So now that we have the content, okay, see numbers 1 to 10 on top 10 best ways to lose weight. What you want to do is copy the entire text. Copy. Then, now that we've copied the entire text, stick with me in this video. If there's any part you don't understand, rewind, pause, watch, take notes, get your pen and paper and take notes and watch in real time, okay? With apt attention. Now, we are going to be trying out another artificial intelligence website, okay? Okay, real quick, guys. So, it's called pictory.ai. So why are we here on Pictory? Now, Pictory is an artificial intelligence software that converts your scripts to videos. Isn't that awesome? First of all, we were on ChatGPT. We did not want to start writing a script and creating content. What we did, like I did right in front of you, was give a command, okay, to the software to come up with content for me about weight loss. Top 10 ways. Now, it came up with the content. Now I copied that content. I am on another website that is going to convert that content into a video. Isn't that awesome? To create top quality videos on Pictory that has no watermarks, high resolution and all that, you need to activate a subscription. Okay, any of these packages, we'll talk about the packages later, but very important, you can get 20% discount on your subscription if you use the promo code Victor47, or you just simply use the link in the description of this video to register for Pictory. Okay, massive discount, 20% off of your subscription. Okay, so do well to look in the description of the video. Use the promo code Victor47 to get that 20%. Let's continue with the rest of the video. Now, let us do this. Now, there are different packages with Pictory. It's actually a paid software, but you can try it for free. I'm on the free version. There's a link in the description of this video for you to get started with Pictory. They have different packages. You see a button here, because I'm on the free version, asking that you upgrade. The paid version has more features, and it doesn't have watermarks. When it makes a video for you, it doesn't have watermarks. And the way we want to make money with this method I'm talking about, you want to look as professional as possible. You don't want to churn out videos that has watermarks on top of it. It looks unprofessional. So do well to upgrade from the free version so that you create videos that don't have watermarks. Now we have copied something. Okay, now we are on the pictory.ai. I told you I'm using a phone to shoot this. Pictory.ai works better on laptops, and if you're familiar with using of mobile to do content, you would understand that you can actually mimic a PC with your mobile if you just tap on those three dots, those vertical dots, top right corner where the arrow is showing, and you tap it open. If you're using Google Chrome browser, of course, you can have desktop version like I have here. So your screen is going to be appearing like it's on a desktop. That is what works best for Pictory. But I just wanted to use my phone so that you can know that you can actually do it. Now we're coming to script to video. Like you can see here, script to video. The script we copied earlier about weight loss, I'm gonna have to post it there. I click on proceed. Now it has opened up here. You see, I'll just paste everything here. Okay, pasted everything here, that we copied earlier. Okay, then when you're done with this, just checking that everything is fine, then I click on proceed. Then you see different templates are going to show up, how you want your video to look like. Okay, different templates. Then you just choose a template that suits you. Let me choose the first template. Then I click on select. Then you see it's showing us three options. Okay, you have the 16:9 size of videos. That's best for YouTube. You have the 9:16, best for Instagram Reels or Shorts. Different aspect ratios. Okay, so let's assume that we want to create this video for YouTube. So we're going to, you see 16:9 is highlighted. So we'll just go ahead and click on continue for 16:9. And like you can see here, the AI is working, trying to create that video for us. So you just give it some time to run. The AI is working now. Okay, you give it some time, and once it's done, I'll come back to this video. It's going to take a while, but I don't just want to keep you guys waiting, so I'll just allow it to run. Then we'll be back to see the finished product. Okay, seems that our video is ready. This took a little above 3 to 4 minutes and everything is done. And you can see here, it is saying that the watermarks will not be in the final video. Okay, I'm just going to click on got it. And you see the it has gone to, make a video for us about everything that we copied and we pasted there. If I click on preview, you can actually preview the video and you see that's a preview of the video. As you can see, okay, it's made a video for us. Okay, isn't this awesome? You can see that, according to the text that we input there, it's talking about, eat healthy and all that. There are letterings. Okay, for those that will be watching the video, you see the scenes are here. The different scenes of the videos or of the video, they are here. Okay, you see I just selected the second scene. Okay, and I click on preview as I selected the second scene, saying that you should avoid sugary food. You see, it's showing somebody who is opening a soda can. Okay, it's mind blowing. Let us select the third scene and click on preview and let me show you what is there. Talking about physical activity. You see somebody on a treadmill, getting fit and stuff. Okay, so right now we were able to generate content for video, and we were able to make a video out of the content, and our work is almost done. Okay, we have a video for our content. We have everything that we need. Now, how can you possibly make money from this? If you have a YouTube channel and you don't want to, rack your brains about content creation, this is an awesome tool for you. Okay? Whatever idea based on the niche you're operating in that comes into your head, type it into ChatGPT. It generates text for you. Copy the text, come to pictory.ai. It converts into a video, and boom, you can upload it on your YouTube channel. If your YouTube channel is monetized, then you can be making money from giving this quality, top quality content to people, and a lot of people would watch it. Now, for those whose YouTube channels are not yet monetized, there is another way, and I'll show you in a bit. Okay, you can come to a place like Offer Vault. Okay, Offer Vault. Offer Vault is a place where affiliate marketers can come. Okay, there are different offers here. There are different products here. Okay, you can just search for slimming tea, for instance. Okay, slimming tea. Let me type that in real quick. I just want to give you an idea of how you can make money through this. Slimming tea on offervault.com. Okay, you see slimming tea here. When you register as an affiliate on Offervault, okay, for instance, you're going to have your own unique link with which you can go and promote the particular product you want to promote. And you get commissions up to 10, 15, 20% of every sale. So imagine that we did a video like we did earlier about weight loss. We do that kind of video and we upload it on YouTube. Or if you decided to upload it on Instagram, if you're an Instagram influencer on your Reels, or you upload it even on Facebook, then your link advertising this particular slimming tea, okay, is put in the description of that video. So the likelihood of people watching that video, the people who are actually obese, they're looking to lose weight, they watch that video, they get value about how they can lose weight healthily. Then at the end of the video, you say, look in the description of this video, there is an effective slimming tea that can help you further to lose weight. They are going to go to the link, and the link is going to bring them to Offervault. They are going to make a purchase, and you're going to get paid. Now, it is not only Offervault that you can sign up as an affiliate. Okay, there are so many affiliate platforms out there. You could go on ClickBank, you can go on Digistore 24, you can go on any affiliate website. Google is your friend. Just Google them, and when you're able to get a product, okay, create content through this method. You know, video contents are always very catchy. Create that content and put the link of that affiliate product in the description of your video. And as this video said, make $1,000 a month. You can make a lot more than that, trust me, if you're promoting several in-demand affiliate products. Weight loss products are in demand, trust me. A lot of people are not comfortable with their weight and they're looking to shed some weight. It's a major problem. You are going to be cashing out big time. So don't limit yourself to offervault.com. Try Digistore 24, try any, just Google any affiliate website that is offering affiliate opportunities where you can get your own link, unique link to each product, create video content, put it on your YouTube channel, even if it is not monetized, put it on your social media, put it on your WhatsApp status, put it on your Facebook, put it on your Instagram. Then make sure that you tell them in the video, somewhere in the video, that there is a link to a slimming tea that works in the description, and boom, you're going to be making sales here. Different slimming tea here, okay? It is not about slimming tea only. Of course, you can search for products of different types, okay? It could be anything at all, anything you can think of. So do not forget that with the pictory.ai, there is a link in the description of this video for you to get started with pictory.ai. I do not advise that you use the free version. You are advised, look at it. Their pricing is, you know, very considerate considering the amount of money you're going to be making. Okay, the free version is limited. Okay, you can have the $19 per month version. Look at it here. Okay, you can make 30 videos a month. Okay, up to 10 minutes text to video, 10 hours of video transcription per month. You can customize and save branded templates, 5,000 music tracks, 25 AI voices. Because what I did not tell you also is that with this artificial intelligence, you can actually attach a voice to it. Okay, a voice that is reading out every text, and the video is out there, you know, working, showing you beautiful clips that are related to your text. Okay, you have the $39 a month. Look in the description of this video. You will be able to see all the plans. Just choose the one that best suits you, and boom, you're good to go. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, smash the like button, share this video within your social media community, and of course, please subscribe. And you guys may counterpunch in the comment section below. Till I see you in the next video, I remain Victor Isibo. I'm out.